Do you want the Candy Cat and Cat Bee Happy Meals?
Yes, give me Pussycat Happy Meals.
They give me candy?
Meow, meow,
What?
meow.
Oh my gosh! 2 Happy Meals! Hey, what's up, YouTube? It is Gino's Reaction here reacting to nothing once again. Because, guys, in today's video, I got a text from Candy Cat, bro. And you guys might be wondering, who is Candy Cat? Well, apparently, she's from the game Playtime, a horror game.
But I don't really know why she's part of a horror game, guys. Like,
She doesn't even look scary.
Well, really? Show me.
Why do you want to look?
Why? I want to see if
You're
it's...
the cameraman, you're a loser.
But I want to see if she's...
No! Oh my fine.
Please, just show me.
She's not scary, she's cute.
why are you screaming?
Stop!
It's scary.
Freaking, that destroyed my eardrums, Mateo.
I'm experiencing permanent damage because of you. Well, what are you talking about, bro? This is a cute. You know what I mean?
What?
A pussycat, guys.
Oh my god, you little pussycat. Oh, no pussycat. Bro.
What are you doing?
Anyways, guys, she texted me saying, feed me candy. And I was like, what? Why would I feed you candy? And this just had me thinking.
That Candy Cat is probably a fat piece of shit.
And that kind of reminded me of someone.
Damn, that's a body shame.
Mateo!
You have diabetes and you are 200 pounds. I love body shaming people, guys.
Please like this video right now. I want you guys to go.
I want you guys to go out in public.
And body shame every single fat person you see.
You see a fat person, guys? No. Be like this.
You fatty, lose some weight, or else you're gonna die.
Stop.
That's what I do.
Why?
What do they tell me?
I'm gonna kill myself.
A few moments later.
Guys, before I text her, please like this video right now if you like candy. Comment down below right now what your favorite candy is.
Guys, mine is obviously
Sour Patch Kids.
because you guys know I like kids.
Let's just text back Candy Cat and be like, what do I get? Oh my gosh. I cannot spell. What do I get in return? I can't spell for my life, bro. I can't even put 3 question marks. Oh my gosh, she just texted me back. And she said, do you want the Candy Cat and Cat Bee Happy Meals?
What? Who is Cat B? Well, I guess 2 is better than 1, Mateo, if you know what I'm saying.
What?
I don't know who Cat Bee is, but she's probably from Playtime. She's gonna be like, who is she?
Bruh.
No, not he, she. Oh my gosh, bro.
She's like a transgender.
Anyways,
Bruh.
Responding, guys.
my girlfriend? No! No!
What?
I don't support that.
What? Why don't you support?
That's haram!
I wanted the pussycat.
10 seconds later.
But guys, I low-key want the Happy Meals right now because I'm so hungry.
Bruh.
I could eat a dog! I was gonna say, yes, get, come on, kids! Yes, get,
Yes, give me pussycat Happy Meals. What? Give me the
give me the
Stop.
pussycat Happy Meals!
Guys, I'm not saying the curse word, bro.
Bruh.
I'm saying
You know, the cat.
if any parents are watching,
I don't care about you. Stop watching with your children. Let your 12-year-old son watch my videos.
Bruh.
Get out of the room! They give me candy?
gosh, so much work.
I always have to do so much work in my life.
Are you that broke? You can't afford candy?
Tell, let's go check my wallet right now and see how much money I have because
I bet I have like at least 10 bucks. I have at least. Aww.
Hold up.
Stop!
No!
I love children. Like this video, subscribe, or else I'll touch you like this.
What is he doing?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, before I go check my wallet right now to see if I have any money in there, we're gonna watch Candy Cat videos right now and Cat Bee videos.
apparently they're dating, which is so sad, guys.
Daniel!
Please touch me.
We're gonna react to this video called Candy Cat VHS tape, and let's just see what it's all about, guys. Like this video, guys. Make sure to watch until the end because I'm about to get the happy Huh? What the?
She's so
Is that
cute.
candy?
Ooh, that looks like... I think she's eating candy. What is she saying?
It looks like period blood.
Whoa,
Oh my god.
whoa, my god. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh, that scared me.
That scared me. Wait, let's go back on that. Wait. Oh my goodness.
What happened? I thought she was made of candy.
Wait, what? Maybe this is candy, bro. What? Wait, what candy's red?
Holy.
I don't know.
Licorice.
That's the worst candy ever. What?
It's the best candy ever, especially black licorice. Oh my god.
Black licorice is disgusting.
Bro,
You know how I feel about black things.
why is your hat
I'm
black?
scared of the...
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh my god.
Alright, now we're about to watch.
The Cat B VHS tape. So let's see how this looks like. Shut up! We're about to watch this. Honey!
She's a bee.
She's a bee and a cat.
That's so smart.
Wait. Did you just hear what she said?
No.
What? Listen! Wait. Yes!
I get the pussycat. She said you and I are meant to be.
No.
Yes!
She's not talking about you. What?
Then who's she talking to?
That's it. That's a bee, Danny. What are you talking about? You want a bee?
Huh?
Why are you?
This wonderful plastic toys are perfect for your children.
Alright guys, let's do this. Keep watching.
Imagination and cognitive skills. Playtime Co. invites you to support the Fostering Happiness,
Foster
Oh, what?
children.
developed by our founder Elliot Ludwig.
Fostering happiness? They're talking about foster children?
Nobody cares about foster children. You're a foster kid.
If any of you guys are foster kids, please unsubscribe to my channel.
Purchase of our adorable toys helps support those children in needs.
Boo!
As we always says,
What?
nobody leaves without a toy.
Boo!
Get out of here.
Create Cat B
What was
now
that?
for only $2.99 and make a friend machine.
Oh, $2.99?
Bruh.
I have to check my wallet to see if I can afford that. You think I can afford that? No.
Alright guys, we're about to watch a 33-second video called
Poppy Love Time.
And it shows Cat B in the thumbnail. Huggy Wuggy! No way. Huggy Wuggy!
Hold up.
Kissy
Wait a
Missy.
minute. Something ain't right.
I thought they were sisters and brothers.
They are?
Oh my god.
Why did Kissy Missy just beat up Huggy Wuggy?
Wait, they're siblings?
Huh?
That's
And
what I
they're
thought.
dating?
Awesome!
Why are you so happy about that?
What is wrong with her face? Alright guys, we're about to watch a video called Feeding Candy Cat a Bit Too Much Candy.
Bruh.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Over and over again.
He's eating.
Okay.
Bruh.
Candy Cat is fat. He keeps asking for more candy. Can you stop screaming, bro? Whoever this is. Look at his haircut, bro.
More candy.
Stop! It's not even funny, bro. Look at his haircut.
Bruh.
What's wrong with his haircut?
He keeps. Wait, what? Hold on.
Guys,
She keeps saying no more. She's saying no. And he keeps feeding her more candy.
Hold up.
I like where this is heading, guys.
What?
I like this. No means yes.
What?
Oh my! Why are you screaming the mic, bro? To eat more.
Bruh.
Pause.
Stop.
No.
Yeah.
Oh,
Did she just die? What happened to her?
I think she threw up a tail.
Bro, if I was there, I would let Candy Cat throw up in my mouth.
Huh?
how about that just commit mjölker, Billy?
Burger? What is that, guys? I think he meant to say burger.
Bruh.
Anyways, guys, just gonna check my wallet right now. There's enough videos for today.
Oh, I can finally escape. I can finally escape.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I just got my wallet from my freaking Lamborghini, as you can see.
Oh, your Subaru?
Wait, hold on.
Why is there a big pile of shit?
Right there.
What are you doing?
Let's see how much money I have. And there's no money in here. There's only one option.
We have to rob the store.
Damn, that's illegal. We can't do that.
It's 2022.
I could shoot up the whole store if I wanted to.
No, that's not. No!
Let's do it.
Why are you getting in the back seat? I guess I'm driving today. Yeah, I got you. What? Mom? What? Is she eating candy?
Oh my god! We need that candy.
Watch me go get it, Mateo.
Wait, what? What are you gonna do?
Is that candy? Can I have some? No.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Give me the candy! Give me that candy, woman!
Oh hell no!
Watch out! Watch
What are you doing? Oh my god! Did you get the candy?
Of course I got the candy.
Guys, I just beat up my mom.
Like this video if you love your mom.
I love my mom.
That's why I had to beat her up for this candy.
Just put it right here. See if Kitty Cat gets it.
Bruh.
What? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get Kitty Cat to come over here.
1 eternity later.
Alright guys, I'm gonna fly my drone right now because I'm
Pretty sure that Candy Cat.
should be here soon. So I'm just flying around on the road. Hopefully I don't crash into a car. So that's my driveway over there. Hopefully I see something soon. Alright guys, let's see what happens. Oh my gosh!
Oh, little pussycat! I think that's Candy Cat, guys.
Well, she's walking on my driveway.
Is she coming towards us?
Bruh.
I don't know what's up. I don't know, man.
Hell no.
Guys, I'm just still looking for it. I think she came this way, right? Little kitty cat walking towards our house. She wants all the food. Because she's a fatty. She's walking towards the candy.
Oh my god!
Wait, she's eating it? Oh, that's so cute.
Bro.
How is it eating cute?
10 seconds later.
Oh my gosh! I think those are the Happy Meals.
Wait, what?
Yes!
It's time to eat.
2 Happy Meals plus a cat bee drink, guys. Please like this video. No!
How? Bro, how do you manage to do that?
Alright, guys, well, at least the box has little kids on it. Okay.
I'm excited, but I'm also scared.
Huh?
First, let's open up this one, guys. I don't know which one is. Oh my gosh! Yes! Yes!
I want candy! I want candy!
Go get it then.
Bruh.
Yes!
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Is that good?
Something ain't right.
Why?
What is in this? Oh! They put candy in our freaking burger!
Birds?
Alright, come on now.
We got freaking gummy worms as fries.
No, I'm talking about the front.
Ah!
A happy eating Rice Krispie treat?
Why would I want this?
Oh my god. It look. Now this is fire.
Please don't have candy in it.
Please don't have candy.
Is that
in it.
mixed chicken?
Huh?
Oh, it looks like there's candy in there again.
There's candy. There's mustard. Mateo, help. Hurry. Get rid of the evidence. Get rid of the evidence. Get rid of the evidence.
Bro, that's
Bruh.
plastic.
Guys, I think this is an epic fail.
Besides the Sour Patch Kids.
Wait, fries? Yes! Yep. Oh!
Bruh.
I don't want worms in my fries. Epic fail.
Candy Cat and Cat we thought we would like this. Wait.
Guys, I was just thinking about the cat bee drink.
And I spilled it.
Oh,
You
yeah.
guys need to have any, please subscribe and like. Subscribe my show for free Doritos and expand your society. See you later, peace, goodbye.